First, bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add about a half tablespoon of salt to season the water. Then toss in your pasta. I'm using spaghetti today, but other pastas work great too. Cook it until it is al dente, which means it's still slightly firm to the bite. Nobody likes mushy pasta, right? Once it's done, drain the pasta and set it aside. Now let's make that creamy mushroom Alfredo sauce. In a large skillet, melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter over medium heat. Then add your finely diced onion and sauté until it's soft and translucent. Next, add the minced garlic and thinly sliced mushrooms. I'm using regular cremini mushrooms today, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and golden brown. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Now add the remaining butter and pour in the heavy cream. Bring it just to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens slightly. Here's a secret ingredient, a pinch of nutmeg. It adds a warm, nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the creaminess of the sauce. Stir it in and then add about a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. You can add more cheese if you want, extra cheesy. Now add the cooked pasta to the skillet and toss everything together on very low heat for about a minute. This helps the pasta soak up all that delicious sauce. Once it's all combined, serve it immediately. I like to garnish mine with some freshly chopped chives for a pop of color and freshness. I also give it a drizzle of olive oil. And there you have it, creamy, flavorful mushroom Alfredo pasta that's ready in under 30 minutes. It's the ultimate comfort food, and I promise it's going to be a hit at your dinner table. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a recipe.